Meet Alexa. She is just like you. She wanted to learn programming, but don't know how to start or how to make her first step towards programming. She thinks every day that what should she do first and what to learn first. And like you, she struggles with same questions like what she should do first, whether she should start learning C, Java, Python, or anything else. And what's the proper and right way to learn coding. She is currently very confused and she don't have idea what to do. All this is because she is a beginner. Most of the programmers had faced this kind of question during their starting days. So have no worry about it. You must set your learning path and the destination. Set some goals. Substitute learning in different levels like in video games. There are some of the important steps which must be followed while planning to learn programming. Your first goal must be of finding your area of interest in which you want to learn. Set a plan. Like if you want to learn web development, you should start with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For programming and logic building likewise, you should start with C programming. So this is the first step, that you have to select what you wanted to learn. Before start learn programming, you must get some basic knowledge about computer fundamentals like algorithms, data structures. This is the key point of learning. The YouTube is the most helpful tool for learning. It will get you learning videos in your origin language too. Start searching continuously about your doubts. You definitely will get the answers. Also, the another way is to search on websites. There are various websites on the internet which specially designed for learning. It will be very useful. So, YouTube and educational websites will make learning easy for Alexa. It will solve all the problems of Alexa. And now she is ready to learn. So, the plan of Alexa is ready now. She knows how to start learning. She have all the required materials for learning. She decided her first goal. In a way, programming languages are like any other language. They require regular practice if you want to become fluent in them, and you will forget things if you don't practice using them. It is, therefore, essential to make sure that you keep learning new things every day. That's what Alexa did. Now, Alexa have pretty decent knowledge about programming. She goes for competitive programming. Training and taking part in programming contests make you more disciplined, faster and focused coder. It will be helpful for testing your programming knowledge. Look how happy Alexa is. She find her right and suitable path and reached to the destination. Now she can start something new. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find it useful. Please give like to this video and subscribe.